Okay, so module 28, probability and linear programming. Linear programming, we will see it afterwards. Linear programming, we will see it afterwards. But basic, we will start with probability. I know most of you are very much well versed with this formula क्योंकि 10th standard में सीखा जाता है. That is probability of A is equals to n of A upon n of S. Axiomatic definition of probability. This is called as axiomatic definition of probability. Now, the thing with axiomatic definition is हमेशा अपन डायरेक्टली JEE में हर चीज एक्सियोमेटिक डेफिनेशन से नहीं निकाल सकते. इट टेक्स लॉट ऑफ टाइम, टेक्स लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट, लॉट ऑफ टाइम. हर चीज अपने को धीरे 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 टेक करके निकालनी पड़ती है. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न बेसिक्स ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी एंड देन वी विल मूव ऑन टू JEE मेथड्स ऑफ इट. सो पहले बेसिक सीख लेते हैं. ये भी फॉर्मूला है, एज यू ऑल नो, यू हैव लर्नड इन 10th स्टैंडर्ड, ये तुमने सीख चुके हैं. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ A यूनियन B इज इक्वल्स टू probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Again a big formula, probability of A union B union C is equals to probability of A plus probability of B plus probability of C minus probability of A intersection B minus probability of B intersection C minus probability of A intersection C plus probability of A intersection B intersection C. Now coming back to the important parts of it. All of you or most of you gets confused with mutually exclusive events and independent events. There are two types. They are very similar to each other. Mutually exclusive events. अगर एक event A है और एक event B है, अगर उन दोनों में कोई भी common नहीं है, if there is nothing common between A and B, then you have mutually exclusive events. That means P of A intersection B is equals to 0 रहता है. ओके, P ऑफ A इंटरसेक्शन B इज इक्वल्स टू 0. इनका मतलब इन दोनों में कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है. देयर इज नथिंग, नो एलिमेंट कॉमन बिटवीन A एंड B. सो P ऑफ A यूनियन B becomes from this point of view is P of A plus P of B because P of A intersection B is 0. Okay, so moving on to conditional probability. This is basic conditional probability. Now conditional probability is something that P of A given B. What is P of A given B? That means probability of A. This is called as P of A given B. That is probability of A when the event B has already occurred. Okay, probability of A when event B has already occurred. Now, if event B has already occurred, the probability of A depends on probability of B. What happens is probability of A depends on probability of B because the event has already occurred. Since it is dependent on B, it is conditioned that B के वजह से ही A आ रहा है. Okay, so given condition in this probability is always the second one. Probability of A given B, B is the condition. Probability of B given A is the condition. Probability of A given B, B is the condition, A is the probability. Probability of B given A is the condition, B is the probability. Therefore, the formula for it is probability of A given B is equals to probability of A intersection B upon P of B. Whenever we solve the problems, we don't use this formula as much. We go it directly, but for time being, we will keep it probability of A intersection B, A given B is equals to probability of A intersection B upon probability of B. Now, therefore, probability of A intersection B will be probability of A given B into probability of B. Probability of A intersection B इसको इधर भेज दिया, sin P of B here. Probability of A intersection B is equals to probability of A given B into P of B. Now coming back to my point. There is a lot of confusion between mutually exclusive events and independent events. The difference between both of them is either they don't have anything in common. What happens is they don't have anything in common. Here they have something in common, but independent events are where probability of A is not dependent on probability of B. Probability of A is not dependent on probability of B. So the thing is, if I don't take the condition of B, I am okay with finding probability of A. If they are not dependent and the condition of B does not require probability of A, we can just write probability of A into probability of B. What happens is, since we don't require the conditions, since they are independent, probability of B का कोई sense ही नहीं बनता. Therefore, probability of A into probability of B. We don't have to write A given B. This is called independent events. Now there comes a part जहाँ पे अपने important results में आता है probability of A intersection B dash, and lot of students have seen making mistake here. ठीक है, so आज के बाद याद रखने के लिए A intersection B dash means A है पर B नहीं है, A है पर B नहीं है. That means you don't have to include the elements of B, which is given as, let's see by Venn diagram. Venn diagrams make it very easy. A, B, this is A, this is B. Now this is your A intersection B. I want, this is your complete P of A. Complete P of A, this is complete P of B. I just want A but not B. A है पर B नहीं है. Means I want A but I don't want any part of B in it. So what I will take out? I will take out whole B बाहर. मुझे सिर्फ A चाहिए, मुझे सिर्फ A चाहिए. A है पर B नहीं है. So if I want only A, what I will do, मैं पूरे A में से B का पार्ट हटा दूंगा. That means I will remove ये जो intersection वाला common part है. So what I get is I get only A. What I get is I get only A. This is when what you do is when you write P of A intersection B dash, means I want only A out of it. तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, उनका common part A intersection B बाहर निकालना पड़ेगा from complete P of A. Similarly, if I am going to write in Venn diagram, we will follow Venn diagram concept. P of A intersection B dash, that means I am going to write it as P of B minus P of, or we will write first as P of B minus P of A. That can be written as P of B minus P of A intersection B. Means out of complete B, we are going to take out A intersection B common. Therefore, we will get only B part. So you have to remember anyhow these basic concepts to solve the probability.